Before learning this video, you have to learn the strings and pointers videos of this series. The links are given in the description. Otherwise, you can't get this video clearly. Today we will learn pointer and string. This is part 4. So, see here. Just like an int array, character array can also be managed with pointer. So this is one character array. We can manage this character array using pointer. We can store address of the first character block of a character array in a character pointer. So if this is a character array, so the first block address is stored in character pointer. Now this pointer can be used for any string manipulation task. I can use this pointer for any string manipulation task. See, take one example here. First, here P is a character pointer. I declare one string array. So one character array, that is one string character str, and the string is computer and character star P. So P can hold an address of any character. So P can hold the base address of this string. So P is 1000. So I write P equal to str. Now remember that the name of the array represents address of the first block of the array. So P equal to str. Always remember, this thing is very important. When only the name of an array is given, means the first block address, means first address of that block. Means when only str means it is 1000. So what is str? It is 1000. I am storing 1000 to P. Now P is assigned with the address of the first character block of array. Okay. So in printf percentage s P, value of P means what? 1000. Address of the first character block of array is passed as an argument. So here we are passing the address 1000. Okay. This is required to print a string with format specifier percentage %s. So percentage %s, by using percentage %s, we can print a string. Now one thing is very important. Variable P and the array name str both can be used to represent address of the first block of array. So what is the value of P? 1000. What is the value of str? Only array name means what? Base address, that is also 1000. So P and str is same, but there is a difference between them. But there is some difference between P and str. What is that? P is a variable and str is not. Here P is a variable but str is not. Both are 1000. Both value of both means P, value of P is 1000, value of str is 1000. But P is a variable but str is not. You can change value of P as it is a variable but str is like a constant. You can change the value of P, you can give another address to P, another character address to P. You can store another character address to P, but you can't change the value of str because str is the base address of this array. It is constant. It always represents the address of the first block of array. So str is constant and P is a variable. But value of P is 1000, value of str is 1000 here. So this is the difference between P and str. One is variable, another is constant. So when we run the program, it will print what? It will print this string computer. Okay. Now take another example. Here I am declaring another character array, Harry Potter. Okay. This character array name is name. Okay. Now see, when I want to print star name, what it will print? First name. Name means what? Name, array name means the base address of the array. Only name means what? The base address. Base address of this array means address of H. Star name means value at that location. Value at the base address. So it is H. So it will print H. Now tell me. Star name plus 1. Think for 5 seconds. What will be the output? So name is name is here, that is the base address. So name plus 1 means the next location. Value at next location, star name plus 1 is what? A. So it will print A. Now In the same way, what it will print? Star name plus 7. So name is the base address plus 7 means which location? Here. Star name plus 7 here. At this location, what is this? T. So it will print T. Now, I am declaring another character pointer variable name ptr. Name ptr is a pointer variable which can store an address of any character. Now, I am assigning name ptr equals to name. So, value of name and name ptr is same. I am assigning the value of name to name ptr. Now tell me what it will print. Star name ptr. Because the value of name and name ptr is same, so star name ptr will also print what? H. Then star name ptr plus 1 means this location will also print what? A. And here star name ptr plus 7 means this location, it also prints T. In this way, this program works. Now the function strlen. We already learned about the string function strlen. You have to consult the previous video of this series. The link is given in the description. Please follow those link and consult the previous video of this series. Otherwise, you can't get this thing. Okay, so what is strlen? Strlen gives the length of any string, and strlen is an inbuilt string function. So when I write strlen arr means what? Arr means the name of this array. So name of this array means the base address. So we are passing the base address 1000 here. And in case of happy, we are passing the base address of happy here. So it gives the length. When I use strlen, it gives the length of hello and it gives the length of happy. So strlen is a string function. For using this function, you have to write hash include string.h. You have to include header file string.h. So when you run this function, run the program, then you will get, see, here the string is hello and length is 5. Here the string is happy and the length is 5. Now we already learned this thing in our previous lesson. Now our target is to write my own strlen function. I repeat, our target is to write my own strlen function. No need to include string.h header file. So I just change the name of strlen function as xstrlen here. Now you have to write the body of the function. So a look-alike function of strlen, it is xstrlen. Now see what I have to pass. What will be the argument? Argument is arr. Arr means the base address of this hello string or the base address of this happy string. So base address means address of what? Address of a character, because it is string, it is character array. So address of a character. So you have to write character star s. Character star s means what? S can hold an address of a character. So you have to pass character star s as argument. Now what will be the return type? Return, it returns the length of a string. Length of a string means it is an integer variable, length. So return type is an integer. Now how you can write? I initialize one counter length. Length value, I initialize the value of length as 0. It is an integer variable. Now I start one for loop while star s not equals to /0. So first tell me what is s. When I am passing arr means the base address of this array. Only array name means base address. So when I am passing arr means the base address of this array. What is that? 1000. So what is the value of s? 1000. Now star s not equals to /0. So what is star s? Value at 1000. Is this /0? No. Then you have to increase s. Is this /0? No. You have to increase s. Is this /0? No. In this way, you have to continue till we get the value /0. Okay. And you have to increase length each time. I repeat, ARR means what? ARR means 1000. ARR means the name of the array, means base address of array. I am passing 1000 here. So what is the value of S? Value of S is 1000. Now I want to traverse the total string. So till we get the /0, I have to traverse the total string, and there is one length counter which will increase each time, and finally I return the value of the length. So while star s not equal to /0, s means what? 1000, star s means h. Is h is /0? No. Then you have to write length plus plus, you have to means increase the value of length 1 and s plus plus, get the next location. Again, is star s is /0? No. Length plus plus, s plus plus, get the value 1000 and length will increase by 1. Is this /0? Is this /0? No. Length plus plus, s plus plus. In this way, this while loop works till we get /0, and finally we get the length 5 here. Final last value of length will be 5, and you have to return the value of length. So this is 5. So see the code. See here, no need to input string.h here. Okay. Now this is our string hello. Okay. And len1 and len2, two integer variable. Okay. Now xstrlen, we are using xstrlen function. It is a function calculating for calculation of length, but it is written by my own, by the user. It is not a system defined function. Okay. So xstrlen, here is the body xstrlen. So we already discussed this thing. Now after that you have to print this string. So when we run the program, we get hello equals to 5, hello length 5 and happy length 5. In this way our xstrlen function works. Now take the next example. Now our next function is strcpy function. We already learned about this function in our previous video. Links are given in the description. Follow those links. So here there is one source string, it is computer, and one target, I declare another target string of length 10, and then you have to write strcpy target source. So first you have to pass the base address of the target string, that is 2000, and the base address of the source string 1000. strcpy, so source string will be copied in target string, and when I want to print, then it will print. See, when I run the program here, because source string is computer, it will print computer and it is copied to target string. So target string is also computer. Now this strcpy function defined in string.h header file. It is an inbuilt function, string's own function. But if we want to write our own strcpy function, string copy function, then how we can write? See here, in place of strcpy, I am writing xstrcpy. So the body of the function, we have to write the body of the function. So a lookalike function of strcpy. See, first you have to write xstrcpy. First you have to pass what? The target string base address. So target string base address means 2000. 2000 is an address of a character. So you have to write character start t. Means t can hold an address of a character because 2000 is an address of a character. And also the source string base address, that is 1000. So S can hold an address of a character because C is a character, it is a string. So I am passing 1000 here. So you have to declare two parameters as character start t and character star s, and then you have to copy this total string till /0. So I start one while loop while star s not equal to slash 0. So what is s? S is 1000. Star s means what? Value at 1000. It is C. So first compare, is this position means is C is slash 0? No. Then you have to increase s. Value of s becomes 1001. Is the value of s is slash 0? No. In this way, you have to increase the position till you get the value of star s equal to slash 0. So, and then you have to copy this C here, this O here, this M here, this P here in this way. So, is star s is slash 0? No, it is C. Then at this position you have to write C in this way. At this position you have to write C. So what is this position? T is what? 2000. Start T means what? This position. This position you have to write C. So star T equal to star S. So star S means what? 1000. Star S means what? C. T means what? 2000. Start T means what? Here start T means this location. So at start T you have to write star S. Now after that you have to increase S to copy the next letter, and you have to increase T to copy the next letter to the next location. I repeat, you have to increase S to copy the next letter, and you have to increase T to copy at the next location the next letter. So increase S, increase T. In this way you have to continue. Is star next location is star is slash 0? No, it is O. So copy O to S. Star S to start T. Now increase S, increase T. They come to the next location. In this way this will continue till the value of star S is slash 0. Now when the value of star S is slash 0, then while loop is completed. After that, one thing you have to do it, because it is a string, you have to insert one slash 0 here. So start the last location you have to write slash 0. So at location start T you have to write slash 0. So this slash 0 will be written here. So in this way this program will work. So see the code. This is our xstr function. See here. No need to write hash include string.h. This is our xstr function. And finally, we already discussed this thing. Finally, you have to write start t equal to slash 0, because this while loop continue till the value of star s equal to slash 0. So after that last position, because it is string, you have to write slash 0 here. And this is the main. In place of strcpy, you have to write xstrcpy, first target string, then source string, and then print source string and target string. So when we run the program, see the output, this source string is computer, target string is computer. In this way, you can write your own xstrcpy function. So what will be the output of this program? Answer me in the comment section. What is the output of this program? Pause your video and answer me in the comment section what is the output of this program. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.